My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live, sweet jam.
Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacy. Thank you all so much for tuning in, of course. And I always appreciate you. I want to wish you all and your families a happy new year. I pray that you will have long life, good health, and some beautiful new beginnings. I pray that as you go from day to day, you will be protected, you will be covered in your going out and your coming in. And I pray that your very best self will be realized in this 2026. A special thank you to my channel members, my gardening family, my new gardening family, and my potential gardening family. I sincerely love and appreciate you all. God bless you all. So I'm going to take you around, show you what is happening. It's not all glam, but I'm still going to give you a little tour. And of course, I will share my intentions with you. And I am looking forward to a beautiful year with you in this virtual space. So come along with me. So let me start right here. This is my red spinach. And of course, the green one is at that end. The other day, I got so many off there, and I took off almost all of the seeds. They're coming back. So this little pepper tree right here is doing good. And I've been getting peppers off there. Wow, look at this one. This one is huge. Beautiful. And I have cucumber inside the same container. This is a cayenne pepper. See, I have cucumbers inside this bucket. And there's a eggplant right here. I need to top up this with some soil. And this is a sweet pepper or bell pepper plant. Can see this lovely one. I took one from it maybe a day ago or 2 days ago. And cucumbers coming on. Here I have another one coming from here, and it has cucumbers on there. And this is a, I'm not sure what pepper this is, but it is a pepper, either West Indian or Scotch bonnet. So now this is the green spinach, and I believe this is a sweet pepper. Some callaloo right here. Ooh, look at this cutie, a scotcher right here. Callaloo. And this is my star fruit tree. It has been making nice progress. I am so looking forward to fruits this year, God's willing. And right beside there, red callaloo. And look at this baby. Let me take you up, 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 up. It is actually taller than I am. And it is right beside the soursop tree right there. And this is my, oh, you know, I pulled this zinnia. I was supposed to plant it back. I didn't remember. Oh well, I still have the seeds. So this is my ackee tree right here. And that, I'm telling you, has made nice progress since the hurricane. Yeah. All right, so I am not going in any particular order. I'm just going as I feel led this morning. So this is my cherry tree. And remember all the blossoms that were on there? They disappeared. Yeah, they dry up and fell off. but I am seeing new ones. I am trying to locate. I saw some this morning. Oh, yeah. See a few on here, and I'm pretty sure there are more on there. So, yeah. Oh, I need to feed my garden, that for sure. Oh, yeah, I need to. All right, so this is some basil right here. This is another scotchy, another faithful one. And there's a little one right here. And so, cabbages again. I am supposed to be getting some seedlings soon. Of course, I'm going to fill this little bed with some cabbage. I sowed some purple cabbage or red cabbage seeds inside here. You can see them popping up there. Of course, I'm going to wait until they're big enough to transplant. Look at this busy bee at work. You can see I have cucumbers on here, and I'm pretty sure there are more. Look at the busy bee. Get it? All right, so this is a celery right here, and the carrots that I recently sowed, they are popping up. And this is my avocado or pear tree. Not looking bad at all. This zinnia is going down. I'm just allowing it to do its thing, and then I'm going to, of course, harvest the seeds. And my little papaya tree that we transplanted the other day, not looking bad at all. And then inside here are a whole bunch of zinnias popping up that fell from the plant, the seeds that fell from the plant. All right, so now I feel like going back to the front. Let me start right here. So you can see my little tomatoes. They are coming up nicely. I have tomatoes and sweet peppers. Some of them, well, this one doesn't look too good at all, but it's fine. This very same thing over here and over here. So inside this bed now, can you believe that these corns that you're looking at, these are from seeds that I already harvested corns and I saved. So I planted them there. I had a few new ones and I put them inside here as well. The very same time. And those, I'm not seeing not one popping up. So those seeds aren't viable. I put these there just to see if they were viable since I had them so long. And look at there. So now I'm going to just fill here with all those seeds that I saved because I still have some more. All right, so I have two cucumbers inside here. This gungo or pigeon peas dried up, and I think this one is fighting with all it's got. So inside here is my gooseberry, and though they are sour, in my opinion, they're perfect vitamin C. So yeah, sour, but I'm looking forward to them. I think there's a few that are around here as well. Yeah. I hope you're seeing them. Ow. Ooh. I got spiked. Alright, so there's one right there. This broccoli dried down. I need to, but I'm cleaning up. I'm going to clean that baby up as well. And these are my callaloo that I cut from already. They're popping up back. These are some onions in here, from when I'm supposed to plant some red ones with them. So I am going to get to that soon, hopefully. These are some banana peppers and some, of course, I use this section just to sow some seeds. So these will be transplanted. And I have some red callaloo that I sowed right here as well. So you can see a few of them. Well, a lot more popped up, but the cat did them bad. Alright, and these are some cayenne peppers. I will be transplanting those as well. And those two eggplants, I sowed them there to transplant them, but then they look fine there, so I may just leave them. I'm not sure as yet. Alright, and this little pepper, scotchy, doing its thing. I am seeing where a lot of new blooms are coming on as well. And this ginger popping up again. These were destroyed in the hurricane. They were waterlogged, like the plant itself. So I had gotten rid of those. They're popping up again, and this is turmeric. This is another cucumber. This looks so lovely. And there's another one right here. There are more on there, baby ones. And remember the one that got damaged at the top. All right, so Miss Patricia, hush. But the mulberries are done and over with. You can see that I stripped this area already, and that's the intention, to strip the plant, not all together anymore, but bit by bit. So I've stripped this part about some days ago. So I'm going to do some more, and then I'm going to do the others days apart as well. The intention is that not everything will ripe up on me at once, right? And for those who don't know, I strip my mulberry plant as a way of letting it fruit faster than usual, tricking it into dormancy. So this right here is my Nesberry plant, and a lot of you who have been following me knows exactly where this is coming from. A very tiny, tiny plant. I am so, wow, looking forward to Nesberry from here. I have a cousin who has one, and it is smaller than this and is producing. So I am so looking forward. All right, and of course, this is my grapevine running from here, coming all the way over here. It was a lot more bushier in recent times. I took off much of the leaves, and I will constantly do that because I want to have the energy going in these fruits. You can see they're getting bigger and looking more, yeah. I'm keeping the bag on there because I'm not taking any chances with anything, who feels like, hey, I'm going to get to them before you. Mm-mm. This is such a lovely bunch of grapes, and I'm sure you all agree. So this eggplant right here, it is flourishing. Oh my word. And I have string beans right here. Just the other day I looked at this, I'm not sure if it is dead, and I hope it's not. This is my American apple. So let's see how it will bounce back. All right, so I have string beans over here. Yay. And more right here. And there's an eggplant inside here. and more string beans, and of course my zinnias. And I really need to get back to planting some zinnias. No, these purple corns. No, I don't think I treated them right in the initial stage of their growth, but I am just going to allow them to do their thing nevertheless. I'm still going to see what I can do to enhance their growth, but I'm going to plant back some more in another area of the garden. But let's see what will become of those nevertheless. And around here, I have a ginger right there. You can see I need to straighten up this baby. This is my asparagus patch. Let's see if I can give you a better view right here. Yeah, so I need to get it back in this tomato cage. And I have sweet peppers or bell peppers right here. I have tomatoes right here. And I do have cucumbers as well right here. You can see this beautiful baby. And yeah, look at that one. So these are doing great, of course. More cucumber, more sweet pepper or bell pepper, more sweet pepper or bell pepper. The very same right here, sweet peppers or bell peppers and tomatoes. Look at the cat. Look at the cat. That's what they do. I and look at here. So I have to think of something to get something done where that is concerned. But anyways, you remember how sexy this fig tree was looking? Oh Lord. I need to feed it. I need to feed it. So the intention is to feed my garden this evening, God's willing. I pray that He will give me the strength to do it. Because at this present moment, I'm telling you, I'm not feeling it. But a girl has to do what a girl has to do. So, yeah, I need that strength. This is I'm not sure if this is a Scotchy or if it is a West Indian. It looks like a regular Scotchy. It's not looking bad at all. These are string beans, cucumber, and string beans. Can I tell you, I'm getting a lot of cucumbers. So, yeah, look at this big busy bee. Look at it. Caught you. So, I have more peppers right here. This looks like a West Indian. You know what? When they fruit, let me not jump ahead. All right, these are some string beans here as well, and sweet pepper, bell pepper, more cucumbers coming on, and tomatoes. I need to get these babies straightened in time, maybe later, God's willing, or tomorrow. And this is another tomato right here, and I do have more bell peppers. This banana plant is flourishing, but I need to cut off this part right here so that these baby right here can get some more sunlight. So yes, I have that to do. And oh, this baby really needs to clean up. This one in the 5 gallon bucket right here, doing well. You know, from when I'm supposed to take out these suckers, I'm not even sure what's, I may just take out one. There are two right here, and there's another one coming up there. And of course, my banana making nice progress. Yeah. All right. So since I'm here, let me come around. Oh, so my orange tree, my tangerine tree, my grapefruit tree. Yes, it's actually a grapefruit tree. It's, I don't remember the name of it. I will probably put it on the screen. When I saw how it looked, the one I harvested, I was saying it is an orange. But when I tasted it, man, it tasted like grape, but it was very sweet. I absolutely enjoyed it. And this is my lemon plant. No, you see these things over here? I know for sure them upset with me. They vex with me. And I would be too. Because I pay them no attention. Like literally. So this is one project that I have to take on in the garden. And even though I don't pay them any mind, I can you still see sucker, my sugar cane that is. Suckers, new suckers coming on. And this pumpkin that you're looking at around here, I need to take control of it. So I have a lot. Not to mention this grapevine. I believe I am going to cut this baby right down. I think maybe I don't know. I'm going to do something about this, but it cannot be here anymore because you can see it is taking over. It's the wild grape. I am going to, yeah, do something about it. No, look at this. This is my leaf of life, you know, guys. Around here look like a forest. This is the leaf of life. And I haven't been watering it. But the good thing about it, it is very resilient. So I gave it some water and it's not looking bad. But this needs to go. But look at this growth. Look at it. I mean, look at the little container. So when I'm dealing with all of this, I hope to take you along. So you'll see. And I almost let my fever grass die, you know, or lemongrass. It's a good thing they're not easy to die, man. Because sometimes I water, I'm like, all right, we'll come back to there, and then I don't end up come back. But anyways, so yeah, I'm not always on point, guys. I too get a little overwhelmed at times. Ooh, I break it off. Well, that's fine. Pumpkin running over here, so you can see this mess right here. This mess that I have to deal with. Look at these ants. Can you imagine? Look at there. Oh my word. What I'm going to do is to get some ants powder and put on the ground around the containers. These are definitely what they call um ooh, West Indian red pepper. Definitely. By the looks of them, I can tell. Yes, they are. This looks like a scotchy though. And these are burgundy okras and green ones. And as I speak about these, in the container up there with the red spinach, I completely forgot to show you that I had some burgundy okra sowed in there that I need to transplant. And my corns, I am hoping to top up these with some soil and fertilizer soon. These are some regular Jamaican corns. The ones I showed you before were sweet corns. I don't believe I had said that. So this little Scotch bonnet pepper right here, not doing bad at all, has a few peppers on there. I think it needs food. So I am going to get some food in and some banana water or some liquid fertilizer. The whole works. Look at these. Why are you turning over everything? Hmm? Lady and gentlemen. Alright, so This looks like a West Indian pepper, scotchy. This is a sweet pepper right here. This container needs to clean up. Oh Lord, I need to clean up these broccolis. Like something is, oh, aphids. So I'm going to wash them off properly. And then I am going to dose them in some garlic water. So the garlic water, the garlic smell will keep them away. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going into an era of shame. I'm literally shame for sure no. But uh, I'm going to clean up and look good again. Yeah, by the help of God. This is my another gungo or pigeon peas. I haven't straightened it up from the last time I told you I would. And this pepper plant is fighting its way back. I'm going to cut it back some more. And this is my passion fruit. I haven't seen any more on there since that one that I got from it. Yeah, but I'm looking forward to passion fruits again in the future, of course, God's willing. I have some sweet potatoes around here. And when I say that this is my area of shame, it truly is. You can see, oh, I just leave this section, you know. What happened is that every time like I come out and I say, all right, I'm going to get things sorted. And I said, all right, let me leave these since it's a lot of work. And then by the time I get to them, either the sun, something happened. Not even going to get into that. Yeah. So these are my herbs. This is a red West Indian pepper right here. This is my French thyme. What you hear? This one is a volunteer. I didn't put this one inside here. Obviously, came from off of here. This is what I know about. This is my Panadol, and this zinnia was a volunteer. I allow it, and these are some pak choys, and this is a volunteer um peanut. Of course, I'm going to get to cleaning up. I'm so ashamed to show you my pink callaloo over there. But anyways, better days are coming by and by. Yeah. So what is this bush? This is my rosemary. Can I tell you when I left it some time ago unattended, it was literally doing that, drying up, but now it's bouncing back. Oh, this is another celery right here. I left this time in here from when, hoping that I would see something, but nothing at all. So I need two more time plant. I hope I can get them soon. And this is my eucalyptus. My dragon fruits over there. Yeah, you can see I planted um peanut in these before. And remember I told you once you plant peanut anywhere, you will always have peanut because there's always something left in the soil and they will grow back. I just allow them, but some of these are bush. So yeah, I need to get to those bush. And this was a volunteer callaloo. You can see the pestilence taking it over and it's going to seeds. But I think I'm going to cut it and let it do its thing. And marigolds right here. You know, from when I was supposed to transplant those or at least fix them better in this bucket, but I'm getting to them. All right, I'm still getting sorrel, and those are my pine plant. So this is where I'm going to put some more um, purple corns. Well, are in the barrel. I'm not sure. When I get there, I'll cross that bridge. So more pineapple, more sorrel, of course, a lot of weeds. And my seriously bitter melon there. I'm definitely going to watch this. I need this to eat. They're so sweet. Alright, so my coconut plant, not doing bad at all. This is my very first container with banana, and some of you would already know that this old banana tree is still giving me suckers, and I was supposed to take out this long time ago. And this is another of banana in 5-gallon bucket. So even though they strive better in the bigger buckets, in the bigger containers, I just always want to have this. I take pleasure in doing it. And from the last time I've shown you this papaya plant, you can see it has grown even more. Of course, I am hoping that it's a female. And this is my Otaite apple. I see that it continues to put out new growth. And this is my guava plant covered in cobwebs. So I need to clean that baby up. And these are some peppers. I'm sure Scotch bonnet and red West Indian pepper. These are some strawberries I recently got back. 3 plants. One here, and one there. These are volunteer zinnias. Of course, going to get them all over the garden. And this is my pomegranate tree. Putting on new ones all over the plant. Yeah. Alright, so where I'm at now, let me go back to the front. This is a tomato right here. I had another one like this inside here, and the same size. And I just came out one morning and I saw it in complete devastation. I was like, what? So I put back one inside here. Of course, my pride and joy, my June plum tree. I just love the look of it. Like, I think I'm more excited about looking at it than having it. I kid you not. Alright, so zinnias inside here. I think I cleared this container for something, but it's not coming to me right now. This plant yesterday, the sun dealt with it. Apparently, I may have skipped it when I watered, and so you can see it's even trying to bounce back there. Has cucumber on there, zinnias, and pepper, scotchy. Scallions are green onions popping up. This is a burgundy okra. This is my yellow sweet pepper, bell pepper. And you can see that lettuce flourishing right there. And I planted some beetroots again. Those are volunteer zinnias. And these are my garlics that I'm trying with. Alright, this is an onion, and this is a tomato. I had some, those are volunteer zinnias inside here. Of course, I showed you this mess that the cat did. And just like these cabbages right here, cabbage. I had cabbage inside here and cabbage inside there. And they destroyed them. That's a sweet pepper right there. This is cayenne pepper. This is empty for my banana pepper, scotchy, banana pepper, cayenne, and that's a sweet pepper, bell pepper, another cabbage. And this pak choy as well was in distress yesterday from the heat. The same thing happened. with this cucumber. So this one that you're seeing right here, it is no longer on the vine because I realized that something got into it and I had taken it off, and so I just leave it there. This is a tomato right here. I am getting more cucumbers from these babies, and a little zinnia right here. This was a volunteer ginger. Of course, soon I'll get it. I have some beetroots popping up right here. This is a onion right here. Some more beetroots and lettuce and sweet pepper. These are some more scallions or green onions. Oh, these are the burgundy okras I was telling you about. This is my sweet sop tree and some string beans right there. Alright, so yeah, this is where I think I've taken you through all of what is happening right now. So this is where I'll leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet